In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make charts on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Charts can be a fantastic way to visualize your data, and today I'll guide you through the steps to create them effectively. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific workspace that contains the board you'd like to visualize. This step is essential because you want to ensure you're working in the right environment to display your data accurately. After you've selected your desired board, locate the plus icon or the Add View button at the top of your board. This is typically situated right next to the Main Table tab. It's a straightforward step that unlocks the option to add various types of visualizations, including charts. Once you click on that plus icon, you will see a list of available view types. Here, you'll want to select Chart. This option will allow you to delve into your data visually, making it much easier to interpret. Now that the chart view is added, go ahead and open the Settings menu, which you'll usually find on the right side of the screen. This is where the fun begins, because you'll choose the visual format that best fits your data. You have several options like a bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, line graph, or even battery progression charts. Consider what story you want your data to tell when selecting your chart type. With your chart format in mind, the next step is to configure the X and Y axes. The X-axis is crucial because it determines how your data is grouped. You might choose to group by status, person, or time, whatever makes the most sense for your needs. Meanwhile, the Y-axis is where you'll define what's being measured. This could be the count of items, or perhaps a numerical value such as budget or hours worked. Once you've set your axes, it's time to apply calculations to what's being shown on the y-axis. This is done within the settings as well. You can choose various calculation methods, including sum, average, median, or even the minimum and maximum values. This flexibility allows you to represent your data in ways that make the most sense for your analysis. Remember, the key to effective data visualization lies in clarity and relevance. Always think about what information your viewers need the most and adjust your settings accordingly. By following these steps, you can create insightful charts that can greatly enhance your team's ability to understand project progress and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and helpful in your data visualization endeavors on Monday.com. If you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy charting!